Hello, this is Tina Gote and I'm presenting case brief 3. And this is for New Jersey v. TLO, Supreme Court case of 1985. The Supreme Court case, New Jersey v. TLO of 1985, was about a high school student, TLO, who was caught smoking with another student in the school bathroom. A teacher brought her to the assistant principal's office where she denied smoking. The assistant principal searched her purse and found rolling paper, marijuana, a pipe, plastic bags, money, cigarettes, and a list of names of students who owe her money. TLO was charged with drug-related offenses. The question here, the legal question, did the search of TLO's purse by the school official violate her 14th Amendment right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure? Her relief sought, she argues that the search of her purse has violated her 14th Amendment right, therefore it should be not be valid. So under reasonable suspicion standards, the court rejected the need for probable cause in school settings, allowing school officials to conduct searches based on a reasonable suspicion that a school rule or law has been broken. So the reasonable test that they use to formulate to come to their decision was a two-pronged test for determining reasonableness of search. This includes 1, the justified at its inception, where the student has violated a law or school rule, and 2, reasonable scope. The search is proportional to the nature of the suspected infraction, so not excessively intrusive. The court's findings were justification at inception. The principal had reasonable suspicion that TLO had cigarettes based on the teacher's report. The scope of the search was limited to her purse, where the cigarettes and evidence of rule violation might be found. Once illegal paraphernalia and drugs were discovered, further investigation was justified. The Supreme Court ruled that the search was constitutional because it met the reasonableness standard. School officials do not need a warrant or probable cause to search students, provided the search is justified and not excessively intrusive based on the circumstances. Justice Brennan believed that overly broad and intrusive searches of students based on a suspicion alone undermines the protections of the 14th Amendment. This can lead to arbitrary or unjustified searches. This concern is about the balance between school and discipline and individuals' rights, stressing stronger constitutional protections against unreasonable searches that can be easily circumvented by school rules or administrative convenience. So we don't want to give too much power because then it could violate a student's rights. The significance of this case is that it sets the precedent for balancing students' 14th Amendment rights with the school's interest of maintaining order, discipline, and safety. School officials act in loco parentis, and the need to maintain order and discipline in the school is a legitimate concern that justifies the need for reasonable searches. In addition, this provides a clear standard for a reasonable suspicion. Public school officials do not need probable cause or a warrant to conduct searches. However, they do need reasonable suspicion. So basically, students can't be just searched at random for any moment in time. There has to be a cause. Thank you and have a good day.